right, we're in our Bubble app. We have our sign up page. We want to integrate our sign up page with ConvertKit. The reason why is because whenever someone signs up with us, we want their email to be automatically added to a subscribers list within ConvertKit so that we can reach out to them later. So, how do we do this? First thing you're going to want to do is go into your plugins in Bubble, and you're going to want to download the ConvertKit plugin by zeroqode. Okay, it's a very simple, straightforward plugin. They even give you very thorough documentation on what it can do and a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So you can check that out. And to connect the plugin once you've downloaded it is you want to go and get your API secret key from your ConvertKit account. Okay, so go into your ConvertKit account. Underneath your profile settings here, you're gonna go down to advanced. Okay, underneath the advanced option, you'll see you both have an API key as well as an API secret key. You want to show this and copy your API secret key and input it back into your ConvertKit zeroqode plugin within your Bubble app. Okay, once you've done that, that's it. You've connected your zeroqode ConvertKit plugin with your Bubble app. Now you're going to notice when you go back to your sign up page, behind the sign up page, if we go into our action editor or workflow editor, if you type in ConvertKit, you're going to notice a bunch of actions now appear. These are all actions that have been installed within the ConvertKit plugin. And the one that we're going to use today is to add a subscriber to a sequence. Now, what is a sequence? A sequence, if you don't already know, in ConvertKit is a series of emails. Think of it as an email campaign that is scheduled out at certain periods of time so that you're constantly engaging your lead to eventually hook them and convert them. And to do that, you need to create a sequence in ConvertKit. So in this add subscriber to sequence action, this is what we want to do is we want to basically, as soon as they click sign up, it's going to add them to a subscribers list within our sequence so that we can reach out to them later. Okay. Now it asks for a sequence ID. How to get your sequence ID is you want to scroll up, go into your send menu option, click sequences. If you don't already have a sequence created, go ahead and create one here. Once you create the sequence, you'll see this little tile show up to enter the sequence. Within the URL, once you've entered your sequence, you'll see a 7-digit number at the very end of the URL. This is your sequence ID. You're going to copy this and you're going to paste this within the action. Now you've essentially told Bubble exactly where to put the email in your ConvertKit account. Once you've done that, you also want to fill in these following parameters. So email, first name, last name, which we're going to pull from our sign up page. So I'm going to do that right now. Oh. First name. Oh. First name. Okay. And there we go. It's that simple. Now you're going to automatically have anyone who signs up automatically have their email added to that particular sequence that you saw created in ConvertKit. But there's one other thing that we need to do, because you could have the same person accidentally or maybe on purpose because they want to spam for whatever reason, go in and sign up multiple times with the same email address. Okay. You want to ensure that you're not duplicating or adding a duplicate email address within your subscribers list within ConvertKit. So how do we go about validating against this and making sure that we don't do that? Well, before we even get to this step, right, we're going to add a set state. All right. And we're going to put this as step 1 right before our add subscriber to sequence action. And in our set state, we want to actually go ahead and create a custom state. Let's call this subscriber check. Okay. And what this is going to be is a number field. All right. Now, the value for this is you want to get data from an external API. This is the crucial step here to make sure that this is actually, that this works, is you want to go and you want to select. You'll notice all of the ConvertKit options that you have within here, okay? So these only appear after you've downloaded the ConvertKit plugin, so this will not work for you if you didn't. And what you want to do is you want to choose the ConvertKit Get Subscriber List, all right? It also provides an additional option. Now, it will shoot back a list of subscribers, okay? Now, if you're just looking for a particular subscriber email, which in this case we are, just input that subscriber email in here. So we're going to reference our sign up forms email field, okay, value, and then we're going to hit close. There we go. Now we want to choose total subscribers, okay? So what this is going to do is if it finds that email, it's going to come back to us with a number, which is, if it's found, the number 1, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to go back to our step 2, and we want to go back and call our ConvertKit. We want to reference our ConvertKit state of subscriber check, and we're going to say if this is 0, which means there hasn't been an email found, or there was no email match found within our subscribers list in ConvertKit, it's going to go ahead and add that subscriber. But if it is anything other than 0, it is not going to continue with adding the subscriber in ConvertKit. So let's test this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back to our design page. Okay, let me move this over. Let me hit preview. All right. And let me go ahead and just add in my information here. Yusuf at craftingclouds.com. I'm just going to put in a random password. And that's it. Now we've signed up, okay? I should have added a confirmation here so you guys can see that I actually signed up. But what we're going to do is, all right, if we go back to our sequence, look at that. Now we have a subscriber of 1, okay? So if I go back into my subscribers, okay, so let me go into my subscribers. There we have it. So to get to your subscribers, you go into the grow menu option, you click subscribers, and there you have it. You see my subscriber information is there. Now let's do one more thing to make sure that our validation worked. Let's go back. Okay, I'm gonna actually exit this, and I'm gonna preview this again. And let's re-enter the same information all over again. Okay. Now remember, it's only looking at the email. Okay. So this is really the only input that matters. I'm gonna type in random password here, hit sign up. Okay, it's done. If I go back here and I hit refresh to give it a chance, look at that. It did not create an additional subscriber within my ConvertKit account, okay? Now, just to test that this works again by adding a new subscriber one last time, okay? I'm gonna add in another, so I'm gonna say Dan Lupini. That was a completely made up email. I'm pretty impressed with my fake names here. We're gonna say Dan at lupini.test, all right? And then we're just gonna put in a random password, hit sign up. Let's go back to our subscribers. Let's hit refresh in ConvertKit, and there you have it. Dan Lupini has been added to our subscribers list within our ConvertKit account. Hope this helps everyone. See you.